guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back after a really long time. I think I skipped almost an entire May because it's too hot and I didn't get the motivation to actually film a video. And I'm here today to film a video and show you guys what this video is all about. You might be knowing from the title itself that we are doing a mini oxidized or say Indian jewelry haul. Let's just get started with this video now. So starting with the first and the foremost, my favorite piece which I'm already wearing today. So these are the earrings that I'm wearing and I totally love how these look and the vibe of it. These are very lightweight and look very light on me, and I really like how it turns out whenever, like how it elevates basically any basic outfit. Also, you just don't want to do a lot with your earrings, and on a simple normal work day or college days, you can just wear this and this will amplify your entire outfit. Moving on with the second one, which is also my favorite. I used to wear it a lot before, but I think recently I haven't worn these, but these are also very lightweight and the design is perfectly fine. I really love these and how these look on me. And on the top we have Radha Krishna. So this is also one of my favorites. Actually, most of the collection that I own is my favorite. So this is the same one and this has Radha Krishna in it, and I totally love these one. Fourth one that I'm about to show you, this is like used to be my most favorite, and I think was going really well with like anything that I wear, like that was this earrings. So this has mirror and I think I bought it from Ahmedabad, and I didn't bring it. Basically my mom brought it from Ahmedabad. She sent me a picture and I immediately liked it, so I thought that yes, I should buy these ones. So this is what my mom bought for me from Ahmedabad. So this is the earrings. Then last year I think I went to Sarojini Nagar, and from there I bought these ear hoops. These are also like Indian wear kind of only. If you see, they look really good with any of the outfit. Most probably I use it most when I'm going for a garba, because these are so hassle free that it doesn't tangle my hair into it whenever I dance, or it's very lightweight basically. So which is why I do this for Navratri. I need to buy more of such earrings for Navratri. Then we have this another from Sarojini as well. This is like a half moon kind of a shape, you can say, and I really like it how it will look in my ears. And I have also worn this in Vrindavan and everywhere where I have been to after Sarojini. So these are also my favorite. Then comes the colorful collection of mine. So these are also from Sarojini Nagar only, and so I really like these kind of earrings, but I haven't worn these even once yet because I need to find a perfect outfit to like style it, because I think this will look good on like a plain black or a plain white kind of a fit. And so I'm waiting when I'll be wearing that. I'll be showing you guys. Moving on to, I think, rings now. These are from Ahmedabad and these are antique rings. This I bought last year itself during Navratri when I went to shop over there, and this is for any chai lover. Since I am also a chai lover, I really like this, so I had to buy it the moment I saw it. So I bought this one and this looks really nice. It's a bit heavy, but then I really like the look of it, so it's too good. Okay, then I have this. This is also an antique German silver kind of material, and it has a purple gem in between, and I really like it. So this is also one of my favorite, you can say. And the last one is a simple one, but it comes on the three this thing. If you wear it in the middle, it will cover all your three fingers, so it looks really good and looks really heavy, but it's not. So it's really nice. I like it. It's too hot. I'll just tie my hair then. Okay, so I have tied my hair because it's too hot. to even film, which is why you can understand why I skipped the entire May to film this video. Now coming on to the next one, this I have is the necklaces, neck pieces you can say, and these are also my favorite, but one has gotten ruined which I didn't really liked. Because I don't like my Indian jewelry getting ruined. So it's this one. Let's start with that one itself because I don't really like ruined jewelry. If you see, this has been intact, but I think it's all the makeup that I've been wearing during the Navratri, and due to the sweating it has all come into this, and I don't like because it's now totally ruined. But the look is really nice. I really like how it looks, but I'll have to find another one. This is also from Sarojini Nagar. Now we have this long one, and I really like the look of it. It hasn't gone ruined, and it goes really well to. So this is another one, and this is also from Sarojini Nagar. This is also one of my favorite. I think I have really less neck pieces in Indian jewelry, and I think this year I'm going to buy more. So this is one of that. One has gotten ruined, one is really old, and one is my favorite right now. So it's this one. This is the one that I've bought. Also the hand bangles, or you can say this one bracelet, this is also from Sarojini Nagar, and along with it I bought a triangle shaped one also. I don't know where it has gone, but yeah, the quality is like fine, not that great. It's okay, it's okayish quality because it gets rusted a lot. Then the last one in the neck pieces is this one. This has gotten ruined, but I really love it, and I do style it because it looks really antique and old, so it gives a really different kind of a look when you wear it with the traditional Garba outfit, or you say chaniya choli and all of that. So which is why I wear this. Actually this is really old, and it's my mom's. My mom used to wear long ago, and it still hasn't gotten that much ruined, and I still wear it. It is not that itchy or anything, so I've kept it. So I really like this one as well. Then I have a Mang Tika. The only one Mang Tika that I own is this one. This is how it looks. I really like the look of it, which is why I like it. And that is also, I think I bought it from a local store here somewhere only. Now moving on to the next section. This is the last one that I have, and this is a bag full of you can say hand jewelry. So one I have already shown you. It's this one. This is from Sarojini. Then as I said earlier, I have the triangle kind of. It's this one. So this is how it looks basically. And it's easy to wear actually, so I really like how it looks also. So this is also, both of these are from Sarojini itself, so I really like it. You can even wear it on a daily basis also, so which is why I bought it. Now moving on to the jewelry that I bought last year. So it's this one. So this is how it is, and I really like the look of it. It hasn't got rusted. I think I kept it in a plastic bag to save it a lot, which is why. So this is how it looks, and I really like it. Then another one is my favorite because it looks so heavy and royal. It's this one, but it has gotten rusted from inside because of all the sweating and all of that, but it's fine. It doesn't get in the way when you wear it, so it's okay. So this is my favorite, and I totally like it. And this has ghungaru, this has mirror, this has the design detailing, everything, which is why I like it a lot. And this is how it looks. And moving on to the last one, that is my favorite because it kind of is a bangles, but it can be paired really well with like any of the bangles, and it looks so royal and stunning, like a very traditional outfit. If you see, it's this one. There are two pairs of this, and I really like the voice of it. And when you wear it, I'll show you how I style it during Navratri. See, this is very simple. You can wear this on a normal day-to-day basis also. This is how it looks. But if you style it if you want to make it look heavy, then between these two, you just have to put this and just and it just elevates the entire hand of yours. It makes it look so heavy. Along with it, if I wear, you can say, a ring, this looks stunning as ever. I can't wait for Navratri now. This is how it looks and I totally love it. So that was it for today's video, and I hope you like this collection of mine. I wanted to share even western jewelry, haul, but I do that next time, I think, and which is why I'll end this video today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to comment below which piece basically you like the most over here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.